Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can mark your VRBO listing as not suitable for kids or children under a certain age. Try and do this from VRBO website because their phone app is not suitable for setups like this. Once you're logged into VRBO, just hover over to the top right section where you will see your name. Click on that and then choose Owner Dashboard. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And once there, you will see property in the left menu. Click on that. And then you need to go into rules and policies. And in there, you need to go to house rules. Under house rules, there are two age related settings you should be aware of. The first one is the primary renter's minimum age requirement. So if you want to set a minimum age requirement for anyone to be able to book your property, you can do so from here. Whereas if you want to mark your property as not suitable, you need to scroll down and you will see Are Children Allowed? This is where you can mark if your property is suitable for kids, if it is not, at what age you would allow them. This is the section where you can indicate whether your property is suitable for kids or not. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye bye.